Let's continue with practice set 9.3. Here we need to remember the formula, that is the surface area of the sphere, that is 4 pi r square, volume of the sphere 4 upon 3 pi r cube, surface area of hollow hemisphere 2 pi r square, total surface area of a solid hemisphere, that is 3 pi r square, and volume of the sphere, again I am repeating, volume of the hemisphere, that is 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Question 1. Find the surface area and the volume of the spheres of the following radii. First one 4 cm, second one 9 cm, and lastly 3.5 cm. The value of the pi is given as 3.14. So we will substitute the value of pi as 3.14. First one 4 cm. Here we need to find the surface area and the volume of the sphere. So we will write the first part, that is the surface area of the sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Substituting the value, we get 4 into 3.14 into 4 square, that is the value of the radius. Solving it, we'll get the surface area of sphere is equal to 200.96 square centimeter. Now we need to solve the volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Substituting the value, we get 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 4 cube it is. Please make a change over here. Instead of 2, you will write 3, that is 4 cube. Solving it, will get 267.95 cubic centimeter. Therefore, the volume of the sphere is 267.95 cubic centimeter. Next question. The radius is given as 9 cm. We need to find the surface area and the volume of the sphere. We'll find the first one, that is surface area of the sphere is equal to pi r square. Substituting the values, we get 4 into 3.14 into 9 square. Therefore, surface area of sphere is equal to 1017.36 square centimeter. Next, we need to find the volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Substituting the values, we get 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 9 cube. 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 9 into 9 into 9. 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. So what remains is 4 into 3.14 into 3 into 9 into 9. Solving it, we get 3052.08 cubic centimeter. Therefore, the volume of the sphere is 3052.08 cubic centimeter. Next one, the radius is given as 3.5 centimeter. We need to find the surface area and the volume of the sphere. Surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. That is, we are substituting the values. 4 into 3.14 into 3.5 square. Solving it, we get 153.86 square centimeter. Next, we need to find the volume of sphere, 4 upon 3 pi r cube. That is equal to 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 3.5 the whole cube. Solving it, we get volume of sphere is equal to 179.50 cubic centimeter. Question 2. If the radius of a solid hemisphere is 5 cm, then find its curved surface area and total surface area. So here, the information is given about solid hemisphere. Kindly focus on the formula. Curved surface area of solid hemisphere is 2 pi r square and total surface area of a solid hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Using these two formulas, we will solve the sum. Let's start. Here the radius is given as 5 cm. We need to find the curved surface area and the total surface area of the hemisphere. Let's start the first part. Curved surface area of a hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. Substituting the values, 2 into 3.14 into 5 square. Here 2 into 25 we will get 50. 50 into 3.14 we will get 157 square centimeter. Therefore, the curved surface area of hemisphere is 157 square centimeter. The next part, total surface area of hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. Substituting the values, we'll get 3 into 3.14 into 5 square. Solving it, we'll get 235.5 square centimeter. Therefore, the curved surface area and the total surface area of the hemisphere are 157 square centimeter and 235.5 square centimeter respectively. Third question. If the surface area of a sphere is 2826 square centimeter, then find its volume. Now from the surface area of the sphere, we will find the volume. For volume, we need the radius. So from surface area formula, we will get the radius and we will substitute the value of the radius in the volume of the sphere. The formula for surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square and volume of the sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So let's start. Surface area of the sphere is given as 2826 square centimeter. We need to find the volume of the sphere. Let's start. Surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Substituting the values, we get 2826 is equal to 4 into 3.14 into r square. We need the value of r square. Therefore, r square is equal to 2826 upon 4 into 3.14. Multiplying in the numerator and denominator by 100, we get 2,82,600 upon 4 into 314. When you solve this, you will get 900 upon 4. Further reducing it, you will get r square as 225. Taking the square root from both sides, we get r is equal to 15. That is, the radius is 15 centimeter. Now substituting this in the volume of the sphere. Let's start. Volume of the sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Substituting the value of r as 15, we get 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 15 cube. 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 15 into 15 into 15. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. We get 4 into 3.14 into 5 into 15 into 15. Solving it, we get 14,130 cubic centimeter. Therefore, the volume of the sphere is 14,130 cubic centimeter with a radius of 15 centimeter. Question number 4. Find the surface area of sphere if its volume is 38,808 cubic centimeter. Children, remember this type of sum we have, this kind of figure we have solved in the solved example. There it was find the volume of the sphere having the radius 21 centimeter. Now here it is given as we need to find the surface area from the volume of the sphere. Let's start. Volume of sphere is equal to 38,808 cubic centimeter. Now we need to find the surface area of the sphere. From volume of the sphere, we will get the radius and we will substitute the value in surface area of the sphere. Let's start. Volume of the sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Substituting the value, we get 38,808 is equal to 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into r cube. Therefore, r cube is equal to 38,808 into 3 into 7 upon 4 into 22. When you divide 38,808 by 4, you will get 9,702 into 3 into 7 upon 22. Solving this, we get 441 into 21. Now taking the cube root from both sides, we get r is equal to 21 centimeter. Now we will substitute this radius into volume of sphere. Surface to find the surface area of the sphere. Surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 into 22 upon 7 into 21. That is the radius. Children, please write here 21 the whole square. Square is missing over here. So, surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Substituting the value, we get 4 into 22 upon 7 into 21 the whole square. That is 4 into 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. We get 4 into 22 into 3 into 21. Solving this, we get 5544 square centimeter. Therefore, the surface area of the sphere is 5544 with a radius of 21 centimeter. The last question of this exercise. The volume of the hemisphere is 18,000 pi cubic centimeter. Now we need to find its diameter. If you get the value of the radius, when you double it, you will get the value of its diameter. Let's start. The given part is volume of the hemisphere is 18,000 pi cubic centimeter. We need to find the diameter of the hemisphere. Let's write the formula of volume of hemisphere, that is 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Substituting the value, we get 18,000 pi is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. We need to find the value of r cube. We need to find the value of r in short. So we will take r cube in the LHS part. What remains is r cube is equal to 18,000 pi into 3 upon 2 pi. Pi and pi gets cancelled. When you reduce 18,000 by 2, you will get 9,000. 9,000 into 3, you will get 27,000. Now taking the cube root from both sides, we get r is equal to 30 centimeter. That is the radius of this sphere is 30 centimeter. We need to find the diameter. Diameter is equal to twice of radius. Substituting the value 2 into 30, we will get 60. Therefore, the diameter of the hemisphere is 60 centimeter. Thank you, my dear children. Please do solve all the sums in your notebook. Practice a lot. Till then, stay blessed. Take care of yourself.